This hair growth treatment I'm making right now is very powerful and will help to stop all the hair problems you have, including hair thinning and baldness. So keep watching, and if you enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. To start making the treatment, we will be needing the first ingredient, which is ginger. So we will be needing just a small piece of fresh ginger. Before I proceed, I'm gonna cut it into small pieces. My ginger is already clean. I had washed it. So I'm just going to cut it into small pieces. Ginger is amazing and very strong when it comes to stimulating hair growth, and if you have scalp issues like dandruff and flakes, it helps to provide a good scalp environment for hair to grow. So if you're looking for something that can help to stimulate hair growth on your scalp and also help to thicken hair naturally, then you should definitely try out ginger. So I went ahead and cut it, and right now we are moving to the next ingredient, which is cinnamon. We will be needing some cinnamon sticks. So these are the type of cinnamon sticks I will be using. I just bought them locally. That's why they're looking like this. If you have the other type of cinnamon sticks you can use, or you can also use cinnamon powder, just feel free to use any type of ginger or cinnamon you have. Cinnamon also help to stimulate blood circulation on the scalp, can help to thicken hair naturally, and also help to treat scalp issues like hair thinning, dandruff, flakes, and some bald spots. So moving on to the next ingredient, we will be needing rosemary. So these are dried rosemary leaves that I'll be using. Rosemary is very powerful when it comes to hair growth, hair thickness, treating bald spots, hair thinning, and all sorts of hair and scalp problems you have. So I have used rosemary for a long time. So, and I don't like to skip it every time I'm making my hair growth recipes. I don't like to skip adding rosemary. And I always make sure that I have it in my kitchen. So right now I'm going to transfer all the ingredients to a pot, starting off with the rosemary. I'm gonna add some like 2 tablespoons. There is no any measurement to use, just use any amount of your choice. And also it depends on the amount of treatment you want to make. So I'm just adding some cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is really strong, you don't need to add a lot. So I'm just scooping in an amount that will be enough for this treatment. And now I'm adding ginger pieces. After that, I'm gonna add some water, about 2 cups or 1.5, and I'm going to cover everything, and I'll transfer to a stove and allow everything to boil for about 10 minutes. So if you want this to be more potent, just make sure to cook it, because if you don't cook, if you decide to do infusion method, it's going to take long. And again, because of cinnamon and ginger, it may take time to infuse them. So I consider boiling them as the fastest way to infuse. And so as you can see, it has started boiling and the water has started changing the color. So I went ahead and removed everything from heat, and this is how it's looking like after cooling down. Now I'm just going to strain out the liquid. So I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. Also give this video a thumbs up and share it. After straining out, this is how it's looking like. I'm going to transfer it to this applicator bottle, and I'll proceed into the application as I show you how I use this. I will also be explaining different ways you can use this treatment in order to grow long and thick hair in a short period of time. So this is how my hair looks right now. It is really tangled. I have been having these twists for about 3 weeks, and so I'll be applying this treatment when my hair is still twisted. I'm not going to take them down. So as you can see, I'm applying from the scalp first, and then I work towards the ends, making sure that each single section is well hydrated. And once I spray, I make sure to use my fingers to squeeze it in, so that because the hair is in twist, I need to squeeze in so that each single strand in the twist get well coated. This treatment can be used as a leave-in. So today I'll be using it as a leave-in to hydrate my hair and my scalp. And then after that, I'll go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner and then sealing that moisture with hair butter. So that's the first way you can use it. You can also decide to use it as a tea rinse. You apply and then you rinse it out after you apply. If you don't want to have ginger smell on your hair, this treatment is really strong, you guys. I forgot to mention it because of ginger and cinnamon, and it is really strong. So if you're not okay with that, you can just apply it and then rinse it off. You can apply when your hair is clean or when your hair is before washing your hair, and then rinse with shampoo, or you can apply after shampooing and then follow up with your moisturizing routine. This treatment is effective, powerful, and stimulating. All the three ingredients I used are really powerful and effective. If you use this consistently, then you will experience a new growth. And if you have bald spots and thinning areas, using this spray on those areas and massaging it, you will see a different change and your hair will start thickening. So do not joke with this spray. It is really powerful and effective, and I'm talking from my experience because I have been using it and it is really effective. So we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it to your loved ones and family. Also, turn on the bell notification so you will always be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye, see you in the next.